Good morning. Welcome back to the Sometimes Builds. Welcome back to Uncle Charlie's cabin. We are here again doing another project day. This is the fourth week in a row we're doing projects here. So we got some stuff going on inside, maybe a couple things outside. Join us. Good morning. Happy Saturday. Welcome back to the channel. Come with us inside to Uncle Charlie's cabin where we are taking down all of that pegboard on the wall there, all the pegboard on the wall here, all the shelves here. We got some cleanup to do and shelf removal and running some new electrical in that bedroom area and the new kitchen area just to get it moving. But main priority today is to get rid of all of this pegboard and then the shelves over here because we just got a lot of stuff right here and we want to compact it against the wall so we can truly begin finishing this area up and then getting that half of the cabin done. So step one is let's remove all this and hopefully I didn't miss anything. Oh, we got some other stuff going on today too. You'll see. Let's go. Brief update, Sam has taken down all of the shelves up there and working on all the magazines and getting them upstairs. Also took out all the pegboard right there, took that outside. Little stuff put in the truck, big stuff put in the
down as you're going up the steps.
yeah, big stuff put in the trailer. So we're trying to get this area here cleared because next we need to get to this area over there and it's buried right now. We need to get all that pegboard, all those cabinets off the wall so we can start putting drywall up. There's just too much stuff in the middle and it's in the way.
Too much stuff everywhere.
Too much stuff everywhere and it's in the way. So that's the current objective. And resume. Pegboard is gone. The shelves are gone. Charlie's working on some electrical right now. Spinning around. Disconnecting the shop vac dust collector circuit. And we have everything off of this wall, and we still have to do this wall over here. It's a little bit harder to get to with all this stuff there and there. But all this is out. And to see what's going on outside, it's a mess. Got the trailer over here, putting all the tools and woodworking related items over there. I'm stacking big pegboard here to go to the basement to hopefully find a new home. Same with the shelf. Same with those shelves. They might go to my garage. And random pieces of pegboard over here that just don't fit anywhere or so obscure. So they're in there for trash collection. Same with shelves. So find a new home over there. What are we doing next, Charlie?
We're going to have to move some of this stuff out. I'm thinking take the bed and stuff upstairs, at least the mattress.
Yeah.
And then maybe we can take the frame down in the basement.
Yeah. Clear out some space in this area.
We just need to figure out these outlets. That's 3, 2, 3, so that's second circuit. Is that down there of anything? Or it probably connects to the one above it, doesn't it?
Yes. 3.
So those are both 3. So, you know what we can do,
So then drywall can go up.
and then we'll keep that one there and the one underneath of it. Does this have a wire that goes up, or is that the last one?
That's the last one right there.
So yeah, we'll keep the 2 here because I was thinking about putting like one of those TV bases with a fake electric fireplace thing in it. Since we have a fireplace up here, having the TV on the wall right here, that gives us good power. We don't need that, or 240. This 240 is what we're going to move between this one here and the one and the two posts. They'll get ran back over to the kitchen, and one will be, depending on which one's longer, one will run to the bathroom for the dryer, and one will run to the kitchen for the oven. So
Cool.
it'll probably be this one to the oven because it's right here through the floor, so it's a short run back. The other one's there, so that makes more sense.
Yep.
A lot of just undoing things.
Yep. And the cleanup continues. Let the cleanup continue. So now all of that is down up until the corner of mess, and Charlie's over here working on this corner of mess. At least he's on the ladder safely this time.
Yeah, I've been on the ladder safely.
The whole time.
That's just the extra rung.
Yeah, that's the bonus rung. Are you planning on taking all this down today? Or are you...
I'm trying to get this.
Okay,
And I want to get this off so we can put all the light bulbs back in and take it downstairs.
gotcha. Well, there's enough screws to rebuild a house here, so at least we don't have to do any purchases. That poor shelf. That poor shelf is hanging on for dear life over there.
Yeah.
Continued mess. Continued stuff everywhere. This outside still looks about the same. Just watching Charlie's brother. Great time.
So we should screw something to the end, put that piece of pegboard back on it, we can stick all those.
Did I put that back in the back of the truck? I think I put that one back in the back of the truck.
It's a nice little shelf there. Put that in the back of my truck.
So the lights are going to go on down the stairs. That was fun. Squinties.
That is not how electrical is moved.
That is.
And that is another day finished at Uncle Charlie's cabin. We have taken off all of the pegboard on this wall, all the way around, all the shelves, all the stuff is off of all of these. We put everything that was in this area. There was a TV here. That is now gone. And in the trailer, all the tools and stuff that were on this wall, gone and in the trailer. Got it cleared out so we can start readjusting power and stuff in the future. We installed that WAV link in the back. I think that's all. That's basically all we did. We just took off a bunch of this pegboard. Got this place cleaned up for the next stage of this adventure. There's still stuff everywhere. What's next, Charlie?
Moving that wall. we found that it's not lined properly.
Mm-hmm.
And moving a door out. So if we can get this wall done, then we can start bouncing around and getting other walls
Finishing
done.
particular areas all.
Yeah. This will go quick once we start finishing it. That will go super quick once it's done. That's going to take a day though. Because we're basically disassembling, moving, reassembling.
Mm-hmm.
And hopefully getting a kitchen in so we can start putting things back so we can continue to get rid of stuff.
Yep. Yep.
There's a lot of what we're shifting around is stuff that needs to go someplace and we don't have any place to put it anymore.
We spend a lot of our time moving stuff around and just to move it back the next day.
50% of the time that we spend is moving this here, then moving it there, then moving it back to where it started.
And that is going to be a wrap for this video. Another adventure at Uncle Charlie's cabin. And in this video, as we were recording it, we just hit 1,000 subscribers on the SometimesBuilds YouTube channel. So thank you for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing and watching. This is a huge milestone. We started this 2.3 years ago. We're on season 3 of all of these adventures. So thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. We will continue the build here and do some traveling and camping soon too. So drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Yeah, hit that subscribe button. Let's keep this momentum going. We will see you next time. Peace.